Have you ever heard of an outfit formula? If you haven't, it's basically a foolproof way to get dressed every day. I'm gonna show you guys my 5 favorite outfit formulas I've been using recently. Before we get into the video though, I just wanted to say thank you so much to Casetify for sponsoring. We'll talk about them in a little bit. So the first formula I wanna talk about is what I'm calling rule of thirds. Basically, we're gonna cut our outfit into thirds: top, bottom, shoes. So on TikTok, there is an outfit formula that was kind of trending. That's like the sandwich method. An idea of that, but taking it in a way I like to do it better. The sandwich method on TikTok is having your 3 points of your outfit, making your top and your shoe match the same vibe, and your bottom would be a different type of vibe. So an example of that would be a fancy top, an athletic bottom, and a fancier shoe. We've seen it before. I personally like this method a little bit differently. I like my top to be different than my 2 bottoms. Right now, my shoes and my skirt are a little bit more of a dressed up vibe, and then we have a casual top. This is like my go-to way right now. I like fancy shoe, chiffon skirt, and a little graphic tee. It's really a good vibe. Normally, I don't really like matching your shoe and your bag. I like more complementing them. But because we have a lot going on in this outfit, I think a little matching purse is perfect. Here's outfit 1 with what we're gonna call rule of thirds. So we don't need such a dressed up shoe. I wanna show you one other shoe I've been wearing that I think works really well with this. Okay, I wish I had a white sock, but I can't find them at the studio right now. I always lose my socks. Also with these Mary Janes, I think it works really well. And it's still a bit more of a casual vibe, but I consider the Mary Janes, just like any leather shoe, honestly, to be a little bit more dressed up than opposed to like a sneaker. We can see here the skirt and the shoes match the same vibe. Honestly, like debatable, but to me it does. And then the t-shirt is a lot more casual. Okay, let's do the opposite now. We've got bottoms dressed up, but we can also do it with 2 casual bottoms and a more dressed up top. I feel like I kind of need a belt, like with brown. I don't know why I kind of like all that together. My socks are throwing me off so bad, you guys. Oh, my shirt's inside out. That like helped it so much. Like honestly, I'm gonna be so real. If I was wearing this outfit, I would utilize my pockets and I wouldn't carry a purse. So let's add a sunglass just to have like some more dimension to the outfit. But here's that same rule of thirds method. We've got a casual shoe, or even we could qualify it as a sporty shoe, a sporty short, and a more fancy top, dressed up, less casual. I think that this is another really great way to use this formula. And if we did like top and bottom matching and then a random shoe, I guess that would technically qualify as the unexpected shoe formula, if you want to call it a formula, whatever. So we're gonna keep it as just like our bottoms and shoes matching and an unexpected top. Okay, next, we're gonna go into a lot easier of a range, a monochrome white outfit. I don't have a lot of white bottoms, so I can only show this basically one way. Like I said, I don't have any white bottoms, and my socks are throwing me off so badly right now. It's really upsetting me that I don't have white socks here. These are the shoes I want. We could do like a sandal. That makes it like super retro and cutesy. Let's do that instead of the sneaker because my socks are so bad. I do not wear these little sandals enough, but I think they're so cute. Even the ringer tee gives like a 70s vibe. So with the little sandals, I think it's really cute. And there's not a lot going on here. The whites don't match. I think it's totally fine to have ivories and whites together in an outfit. And it makes you look at your clothes a little bit differently. Maybe you would look at this top and think, oh, I have to pair it with a different color bottom. But if you have like one of those tiered long maxi skirts, that with just like a white t-shirt and a white shoe, really cute. And then even like the rattan bag. I have a little cream bag. It feels a little too dressed up. I like the rattan with the like wicker bottom as well. There's outfit formula number 2. Obviously, if you have a white dress, that's pretty easy to do it. Just like try and pair it with more neutral accessories. And I'm not saying like every time you wear that white dress, you have to do it in a monochrome way, or every time you put on something white, do it in a monochrome way. It's like, if you feel like you need some inspo in your closet and you've worn your clothes the same way, try these outfit formulas. Cause like, let me show you what I still consider an all white monochromatic outfit. Okay, I would still consider this following like a monochromatic all white outfit, just because this is like a beige, a cream, a light tone. I gravitate towards it when just thinking of this outfit formula. This top is from Cezanne. I just am obsessed with a halter top in the summer, especially this like full outfit together. I think so, like, it's just so cute. Next formula, what we're calling it is dress and leather. These are obviously geared a little bit more towards spring and summertime, but if you don't know what to wear, grab a dress and grab a leather shoe and it will work. This one, we're dressing it up a little bit fancier. Patent leather is like a little bit of a hit or miss, so I actually feel like this is a miss. Patent leather and the floral just don't work. Let's actually call it dress and smooth matte leather. I literally think I'm about to cut a pair of socks because they're knee high. Consider them cut. I don't even think I'm really gonna be showing them for this outfit though. So what qualifies as a leather bottom or shoe? A cowboy boot, a loafer, a Mary Jane, a ballet flat, a riding boot, or I don't think it has to be black leather. I think any color leather will do. A lot of the times brown looks really good with a little dress. There we go. That's cutesy. That fits the vibe more. And then because it's such like a bold color on bottom, I probably do want to match the bag. Unless this looks good. I don't want to match the bag. We'll do a basket bag and my sunglasses. Y'all, I already lost them. Sunglasses. That's what I do with my daughter when we've misplaced something. You just call out to the inanimate object. Yeah, they're gone. Oh no, they're not. You just gotta call to them. The sunglasses tie in the boots so it's not so bottom heavy. And even my boyfriend has said this to me before when I'm like, does this match? He's like, yeah, it matches your hair. I've never thought of an outfit matching my hair. Now I'm like, oh, if it's bottom heavy with like a black boot, I'm like, it's not bottom heavy because I have really dark hair. Does anyone else do that? But here we go. First outfit with the formula, dress and leather. And this dress is from Simple Retro. Okay, let's do another version of a dress and leather. There we go again, a totally different vibe, but using the same formula. This little dress is also from Simple Retro. I've been wearing it absolutely nonstop. I even like wearing it with like a t-shirt over top, but we got polka dots now. And the Mary Janes, I've worn this outfit before. I think it's adorable. And then just to like keep an all black outfit, because I think that looks really chic, we just added my little black shoulder bag. Before we get any further into this video, I wanted to give a quick shout out to our sponsor, Casetify. I wanted to show you guys how I style my Casetify phone case, especially with these little straps. I've talked about it before. One of my absolute favorite ways of utilizing the strap is when I'm in like an athletic outfit, just walking the dog or something, and I really don't need anything besides my phone on me. Straps are so nice to be hands-free, and especially now, like taking my daughter to the park or stuff like that, I will wear them in a very athletic way. I have this phone strap from Casetify. It's really pretty, like red braided, corded strap, and it's fully adjustable so you can have your phone sit to your liking. Then I have the little star phone case on my phone, and then the like bedazzled camera rings that are so cute. It like is an accessory in itself, and I absolutely adore that. I don't always use the strap in a very athletic way now, so let me show you one other way. So to attach the phone strap, it's super easy. They give you this little insert that you pop right in like the charging spot, and then you put your phone in the case like you normally would. This one's really fun, like an ombre stripe. I think it's so adorable. And then you just clip to that little hook. So simple. And there it is with the little leather strap. I think it's just like playful and fun if you're like going out for the night to the bar or something. It's so annoying to have to hold your phone if you're wearing a sundress or like a mini skirt, you know, just things without pockets, which so much of my clothing is not always as practical as like a phone strap like this, just on you so you're ready to like grab it. I think in college I would have absolutely died to have one of these when going to the bars. and stuff like that. This is not how I would have dressed for the bars in college, but this is how I would dress for the bar now. I seriously love Casetify. You guys know that I've been using their cases for so long. I've known about Casetify longer than I've even known my own daughter. They've stuck around through crazy college years to being a mom. I will always be rocking a Casetify phone case. You guys want to shop Casetify for the phone cases, the little camera charms, or even the phone strap, you can go to casetify.com/Lainey and get 10% off. Casetify for a limited time only. Use the link in the description box, and thank you again to Casetify for sponsoring this video. Let's get into the rest of it. Okay, next formula is not groundbreaking at all, but something I see people do all the time is having a dark bottom and a light top. I don't know if it's just like we have more dark bottoms in our wardrobe or what. Just switch the idea. Do a light bottom and a dark top. I think also when we pull out a light bottom, a lot of times we'll do a light top with it, so just flip it. Let me show you what I mean. I've been wearing this outfit a lot, and I feel like it looks so different than my other outfits I was just showing, but a lot of times I do wear a full baggy outfit. I don't feel like I show them that often in the summertime just because they're pretty boring. These pants are from Cezanne, and I don't love the fit when they're like this. I got them probably in a size too big, and they're supposed to sit up a little higher so they'd be a better length on me. I just roll them up, and that looks a lot better. Do I like this necklace, or do I just think it's weird? I've got this necklace from Cezanne also. I don't think it fits the vibe at all. I can't use my mic normally if I wear it. So I think I was normally just putting this outfit on without thinking like, okay, light bottom, dark top. Why does that like mess in my head? I would put like a loafer or a black shoe with it to balance out. I don't want to do that. I want to keep it light. So we have a light shoe. So then I just want the top to be all dark. We're gonna add my mini bag, black sunnies. Like, I know it's not a groundbreaking outfit, you guys, but I don't know. Just this idea works for me, light bottom. I'm like, aren't pink pants so cute? My daughter has a pair also, not from Cezanne, but they're just little pink jeans, and I like to wear them at the same time as her. And then we both have like gingham pants, and I like to match her. It's so goofy. Okay, this was obviously like a very casual outfit, and sometimes I just feel funny showing these kind of outfits on YouTube because they're so like duh. So let's do a different top, but it's still following this formula. So here we're showing that light doesn't necessarily have to mean white, and dark doesn't have to mean black. We've got a brown top on. Again, this one's from Peachy Den. I don't remember if I said that. The little Cezanne pants, and then vintage kitten heels. It follows the same rule, just in a totally different way. And normally, if I was gonna wear these pants with like these heels where you can really tell the height of them, I would take a safety pin and pin them to the correct length. Should I just get them tailored? Should I just cut them and sew them myself? You might think that, but I'm so opposed to just doing anything permanent to my clothes anymore. Don't want to regret it one day and like wish I had that length of pant or something, or maybe down the line they will fit higher waisted and then they would be too short, you know? So I just know my body's gonna change and my brain is gonna change of what I like, so I don't like to do anything permanent anymore and regret it to my clothes. That sounds crazy. I don't have commitment issues. I literally don't have commitment issues. I've been dating my boyfriend, oh my God, for 9 years almost. Okay. Next formula. Like I keep kind of saying, we're not trying to like reinvent the wheel with these outfit formulas. So the next one is very simple, very to the point. You can't mess it up. Graphic pants, pattern pants, and a graphic t-shirt. Easy peasy. Everyone and their mother has cheetah print pants now, so I figured that would be a good one to show. T-shirt isn't like super graphic t-shirt. I could do my straw baby tee. I've worn that 100 times before also. I think I already showed it in this video. Like even a more fun graphic, you can tell would still be really cute. I like it better. I like it better. Better. So any graphic tee, I think the crazier the better. Sometimes I do a baby tee. Sometimes I do more of a boxy oversized fit tee, and I think that looks really good too. I don't think your pants necessarily have to be this cut. They could be wide leg, they could be a capri, doesn't matter. And then I like don't really show these shoes a lot on YouTube. I don't even know if I've ever worn them in real life. I just like don't go anywhere right now where I'd wear heels, or if I do, I have other heels that I pick out first. I think like a nice night out, this would be a really fun outfit. It's totally copied from a Pinterest photo I'm sure I've already showed. Normally with these cheetah print pants, I'll pair these little Dior kitten heels because I think that looks so cute. But we're gonna show like a few different shoes with this because I think a lot of things work. We can add a belt because my shirt actually is like a good length to add a belt, which doesn't always happen for me. Because again, I wear a lot of like baggy clothes and I feel like that's why I don't wear a belt because I'm like, you won't even see it, who cares? I should care. And like, especially if my pants don't need a belt, I'm like not super inclined to add a belt in real life. Like, I'm getting out the door. I have a toddler screaming at me that we need to go to the library. There's no time to add a belt on my way to the library. Okay. So with this, we could do, of course I grabbed it. Let's be tame for this video for the sake of, I don't know who's watching it. Maybe not normal viewers who are like, why is she carrying a picnic basket? I don't know. Why aren't you? Okay, so here's a more dressed up version of a patterned pant, a graphic tee, and then shoe of choice. That's what it's called. That is what this formula is called. Graphic tee, patterned pant, shoe of choice. Let's dress it down. How do we dress this down? Why would we? Perfect. Because we're going to the library and you're trying to wear cheetah print pants to the library for toddler story time. Let's put on my socks that I just DIY'd. Me talking about, I don't want to do anything permanent to my clothes ever. Chopping my socks. Socks don't count. I'm just really into color right now, so I want to add my Sambas with the green stripes because I think it's fun. And look at that. Now I don't want the belt. Belt makes it too fancy for story time. Like a brown belt might be better. No belt. And then I'm carrying a diaper bag. We don't need a purse. There it is again. Same formula and it looks adorable. Let's do a leather shoe. Because you know what? It'll work. You don't have faith in me? Just wait until I break my fingers trying to slide docs on instead of unbuckling them. Oh, okay. Let's even roll these up into the capri or like a more kick flare length. Like what even is a kick flare length? I think it's what I'm gonna do right now. We can add that black purse again because now I'm not going to story time. It works. Any shoe. Let's do another one. Because I just don't think you guys believe me. Could even do a boot, you guys. A black cowboy boot to me isn't necessarily Western or screams cowboy all the time. It can also scream motorcycle. I think of like Harley Davidson. If you don't have moto boots, but you have a black cowboy boot, I really don't think you need both. Do I have both? Yes, but I have an issue. Like this as a going out outfit. Let's pull them full length again. It works. One more shoe. Well, I couldn't have done my Onitsukas, that would have been cute. Even sandals work. Even if you have like a graphic tank top, that works too. I just think it's like a fun way to pattern mix without like pattern mixing. I think I could put on every single shoe in my wardrobe and it would work with this outfit. Okay, so I gotta go before I sit here and do that. I love you guys absolute most. Remember to check out Casetify if you need a phone case. Or even if you just want an upgrade, check out Casetify. The link will be in the description box. I'm sweating. Bye.